Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Lazymangarage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage. You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazymangarage.
What's going on, guys? It's Christian from Honda Vlogs here, and no, I'm just kidding. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Some of these boxes are already pre-opened, and I know what I got, but I'm going to show you guys what I got. First up, we got these two boxes here. I forget where I ordered them from. I think it says, all I know is that they're made in China. So these right here are the brand new wheel hubs for the CRX. These right here are the hubs for the rear suspension or the rear trailer arm. These are brand new wheel hubs with brand new OEM bearings, well, OEM spec, but I'm going to be putting these into the rear disc conversion. All I need to get is the rear disc, and I need to get the brakes. Next, we got a package from IDT Customs Fresno on Instagram. First, he sent me this as a Civic Type R little collectible for myself, but in this is the creme de la creme right here. I got Spoon Sports spark plug wires for the build. I'm going to be using these on the LS VTEC, or if I can afford it one day, a GSR. But I know what you guys are probably going to say in the comments down below. You could have afforded the GSR if you didn't buy all these parts. Yeah, I know, but I'm fucking retarded, and I like to buy stuff that I don't fucking have yet, so bear with me. Next up, we got these Goodrich brake lines for the CRX. These are the steel braided brake lines for the front and back for rear disc conversion. These are the bad boys right here, as I slam it on the table. These are going to be used with the OEM lines that I'm redoing. The back are going to be reused, like the OEM lines that are there are going to be reused, but in the front, I'm doing a brake line tuck, if you will. So I'm going to have like a little like a dash something coming out, and these are going to be connected to it. So you guys will see that later in another video. Next up, I got something for the rear trailer arm as well. I know this is a whole lot of rear trailer arm bullshit, but next up I got the PCI toe kits, the spherical toe kits. Now these I'm going to be using instead of the stock OEM ones or blocks or something like that, but I wanted to use these because I heard good things about them. Plus they're spherical bearings, and I don't have to replace the bushings because I'm lazy as fuck. So once I get everything inside the car, I kind of want to just leave it as it is, but I don't want to have to maintain a lot of shit. I don't know if these are good to use on a daily basis, but you know, fuck it, I'm going to use it anyways. Next up, we got a package from Neo Garage. Now the rest of the stuff I ordered are all from Neo Garage. Remember, if you guys want to order something from Neo's Garage, use the code right here, LazyMan5, and you get 5% off everything that you order. So what I ordered was Skunk 2 front lower control arms for the CRX. Bam! These bad boys right here. I haven't opened them because I don't want to get any dirt or anything inside the bearings yet, but the rear end right here is spherical, and these are the Skunk 2 bushings that are here. I think these are the Skunk 2 Ultras, I'm not too sure, but all I know is I told him, I was like, yo, I need lower control arms, make them in black, they gotta be skunk. And he said, okay, cool. So I ordered them, and that's these. Okay, so I fucked up on the skunks that I showed you. Those are lower control arms for the rear, not the front. If I said that, I'm not too sure. These are the fronts right here. So these are K-tuned front lower control arms. If I can get it out. These are what these bad boys look like right here. I know Chris Sadowski is not going to really like these, but that's fine with me. It says K-tuned right here on the lower bottom. That's pretty much all all it says. They're not spherical. They're not. I think they're hard rubber, but I mean they're going to be working a lot better than the OEM ones. That's for damn sure. Plus I have the stuff right here for the traction bar that I'm going to get. I might go K-tuned. But if Hybrid Racing is watching this and they make traction bars, hit your boy up. You know what I'm saying? Next up, I got the K-tuned upper control arms, or upper front camber kits. You know what I mean. So here we go. These are what these bad boys look like. Right here. Badass. These are the K-tuned camber kits. So I got it with the new ball mounts or pillow mounts or whatever you want to call them. I have eBay ones that I was going to use originally, but I decided not to cheap out. I could have made this whole card, like finish this whole card with a whole bunch of eBay stuff, but I decided, I was like, you know what? I don't really have that much name brand stuff on my Civic, so I'm going to do this one right by just having a lot of name brand stuff. No matter how long it takes me, I'm going to get it. So a lot of the stuff on the car already that I have for it is all name brand, but K-Tune is kind of like near and dear to me, and I like it. Plus they're Canadian, you know, everybody loves Canadians. Seth Rogen's Canadian. But yeah, these are them right here, and I'm going to be installing these in another video along with the rest of the stuff. Now, what I'm going to show you is the last and biggest piece I have ordered. Here's the last piece, so bear with me. This is it. This right here is the K-Tune K1 suspension for the CRX. It even comes with the stuff that looks like it's from what are those called again? You open them in Christmas. They're food. What the fuck are they called? You know what I mean? They're like tamales. There you go. I got the tamale. I got the masas. I think that's what it's called. But here's the suspension. I think it's a 32-way adjustable, and it's also dampening with the K-Tune dampeners right here. Comes with the spindle forks. What is this? Oh, that's just a piece of box. Okay, cool. Comes with box. So these are going to be on the CRX. I heard a lot of good things about them. Childstar runs them. I have a few friends who actually run them. Deaf Guy EJ9, he runs these too on his project card that he's building, which is a 4-door Civic with a K20 with SIR interior, full SIR interior. If you guys want to check him out, link will be down in the description down below for his Instagram. But these are going to be going on there for surezies. So that's the end of my video. I just wanted to show you guys what I have been collecting over the past, I think it's been like a year since I've owned this CRX. But this is all the stuff I ordered. Most of the stuff here, like all of this K-Tune stuff and the Skunk 2, I've ordered from Neo Garage. If you guys want anything from Neo Garage, use the code down below, LazyMan5, on the link down below to get yourself 5% off of anything that you own. If you need to get anything off of like anything rare, Mugen, spoon, whatever, feels, titanium spoon, shift knobs, hit up IDT_customs_Fresno on Instagram. That's where you can find stuff like this and more. I also got these from JHP a long time ago before I even thought about going rear disc on the CRX. And I want to say thank you to AutoZone, O'Reilly's parts, I don't know. But thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys need anything from Activio Racing, the link will also be down in the description down below. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and we get shit done when we feel like it.